Yesterday my daughter, I was on a phone call out here in the garden, and my daughter came up to me just screaming bloody murder. She's getting stung by bees. And you know, we try to make a nice place here for all different kinds of pollinators and stuff like that, but you know, we also want it to be a safe place for our children. And it seems like she must have stirred up a nest, or this nest. I don't know particularly. Maybe she got too close to it, or you know, whatever. But anyway, so I've been out here about an hour looking around, trying to figure out where exactly all these bees were coming from. Because, you know, in my garden, I have, you know, plenty of plants, and I see all the different bees and, you know, bumblebees and all kinds of pollinators. Especially now that the sunflowers are out. And I just couldn't imagine where they were all coming from, why there were so many, and why, you know, how she stirred up a bunch. But now I think I see where that is. So we're going to try to do something about that, and we're going to try to do something about that, but we don't know exactly what yet. In the end, I had to use that stuff. I came back here yesterday after we burnt the living daylights out of this, and they were still kicking. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and leave us a comment in the comment section below. You know, I really hate using that stuff, but I gotta keep my family safe at some point. My poor baby girl didn't realize what she was getting into, and she really got stung bad. She got it about 4 times. Anyway, that's my 2 cents for the day. Thanks for watching. God bless, and see you next time.